How to import wallet in SafePal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. First of all, launch open the SafePal application on your device. Importing a wallet means restoring access to an existing wallet using your recovery phrases. So here's how you do it. Launch open the SafePal app, and once you're inside this page, click on Add Existing Wallet. Now enter your security password. On the next page, enter your seed phrases or your private key. Go ahead and write down your seed phrases that you previously backed up in the correct order. After you do that, click the next button. Click on Import Now. And there you have it. Your wallet will load and you should see your balances. Nice work! You've successfully imported your SafePal wallet. Now you can send, receive, and manage your crypto just like before. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.